Hi and welcome back. In this lesson I'm going to teach you how to use Vega. Vega is a free web security scanner for testing the security of web applications. This tool can help you find vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, blind SQL injection, and a lot more. Vega is written in Java and runs on Linux and Windows. But for this tutorial I'm going to use the Windows version. So let's go ahead and download this tool by going to subgraph.com/Vega and click the download button and then select the version. I already done this, so I will skip ahead. After the installation has completed, you should see the Vega icon on your desktop. Open the program and you will see this simple interface, which is very easy to use. Now, in order to scan with Vega, you will click New Scan and then enter the address of the website you want to scan. And in here you need to select the different types of modules that you will be scanning for. So I will scan only for SQL injection. For that I need to turn everything off by unchecking the ones I don't want to scan. And scroll down and find all SQL injection. And then click Next. Now here is the identity, but you don't need to worry too much about this. So click Finish to start the scan. This process can take some time, so I will skip ahead to where the scan is complete. Okay, now the scan is complete. As you can see, I have some SQL injection vulnerabilities here. And on the left is the scan alerts. Now click to drop it down, and here are all the pages that have high risk to SQL injection. And to get more information, just click the link. And you will see detailed information about the alert in this panel. If you scroll down, you will see important information about the problem, some discussion, the impact, and the suggested remediation. This information helps you to write your report very easily if you are doing web penetration testing for a company. That's why Vega is a great free tool to use. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.